Suzuki is gearing up to launch update as of for 2026 and recent spy-shot underbody CNG implementation. First, we now show what appears to be the petrol. The big talking point is the presence of a new 6-speed manual gearbox, and first just for Brezza but potentially entire the lineup. Earlier test mules had would adopt the brand's new underbody CNG layout, first introduced with Victoria's that floor. Now attention shift to the variant. Spy images indicate Smule is equipped with 6-speed manual transmission. This is significant. All Maruti cars continue to use 5 manual gearboxes. Back in 2018, they were suggesting Maruti Suzuki would gradually transition to 6-speed manual gearbox, but that materialized. But with the latest Brezza test mule, it appears plans may finally be back on track, potentially becoming the first Maruti in the current arena to get this. If reduced, the additional ratio showed in highway cruising efficiency, the overall durability. Another development is the possibility of an all-new engine with Brezza. It offers a 1.2-liter petrol with the Swift and desiring it. Those come with a 5-speed gearbox. This engine delivers 80 bhp. The rumor that Maruti is planning to launch 1.2-liter turbo petrol engine based on the same 3-cylinder 1.2 turbo engine will allow Brezza to offer the lower GST bracket applicable from the 1200cc by still delivering compared to the existing 1.5 liter. Position Brezza as more competitive rivals offering turbo petrol option. The 6-speed manual gearbox will help deliver fuel efficiency. At present, Brezza is powered by the 1.5 liter aspirated petrol engine producing bhp. In CNG guys, it has 87 bhp power. The addition of turbocharge option will its appeal. The latest spy-shot reveal the larger instrument system. The correct gets a 9-inch system with updated one like a 10.1-inch screen in line with Maruti offering. There might also be other feature upgrades and enhancing appeal, potentially including ventilators and updated trim material. As reported, 2026 Brezza CNG variant will adopt the new Maruti layout. Some rival 12-cylinder setups, Maruti's approach uses a single large body tank. The spare wheel is expected to be